Hello everyone, and welcome to Best Gadget. In this video we will unbox, test and install the ViviLink VX510 2.5K mirror dash cam. Featured with voice control, dual dash cam with 10-inch touchscreen, rear view mirror camera, waterproof backup camera, parking assist, smart parking mode, loop recording, G sensor and more. This dual cams provide clear and total view of 360 degrees of car's surroundings for safe driving. More visibility, more security. Smart voice control makes it a lot easier to control dash cam. Free of touching screen, with hands-on wheel. 2.5K UHD resolution with WDR technology effectively enhances the night vision, revealing the in-depth detail from both bright and dark background. License plates are clearly captured from distance even the car is driving at high speed. Waterproof rear view camera functions as backup camera when your car is put into reverse. Innovative reversing system helps minimize the chance for potential scratches when backing car into any tight spaces. Loop recording continuously records over the oldest file to make room for the newest recording. G sensor will record any mishaps and lock the footage whether your car is driving or parked. Parking mode keeps evidence locked if any vehicle theft or scratches happens. Ease of use touchscreen, get rid of any physical buttons with this intuitive 10-inch touchscreen. Also achieve easier camera settings and video playback. IPS screen boasts of 75% high transmittance to display streaming video with consistent color and finer detail.
Ahora sí.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Best Gadget channel. Today we will unbox, test, review and install the WOLFBOX dash cam. WOLFBOX G840H mirror dash cam uses ultra-high transparent optical glass mirror and a high-performance processor with a 2.5K HD resolution for the front lens. No need to worry about overheat and overcapacity. The powerful QVBR encoding technology save 30% bitrate with the same image quality. The front and rear lens adopt f1.55 and f1.8 large aperture, supports multi-level 3D denoising, removes motion smearing and color noise, supports strong light suppression and backlight compensation, supports extreme light collection technology in wide dynamic scenes such as entering and exiting tunnels, night lights, etc. Makes the image bright and dark details better and provides excellent image effects even under low light. The 1080p rear cam adopts a real Sony sensor, records super clear video behind the car even in rainy and foggy days. With IP68 waterproof level, you don't need to worry about rain or dust in the open air. After the red wire is connected to the positive pole of the reversing light, the screen will display the reversing line. You can also manually adjust the angle of the reversing line to reverse safer. The car dash cam uses 12-inch large high-definition display and brand new and unique user-friendly GUI interactive design. Smarter G sensor function supports locking emergency videos automatically and manually. Double tap the screen. After install WOLFBOX hardwire kit, it supports time-lapse video mode and 24-hour parking monitoring without worry about drained car battery. GPS function records the precise speed, direction, longitude and latitude data while driving. The car camera is easy to install, just easily attach dash cam to rear view mirror with rubber straps. Connect the car charger with camera then hide extra cable into interior panel.